Alright, gonna be installing the Deezee Tailgate Assist here on our Power Wagon, and that will help keep the tailgate from smashing down when you open it up with just one hand or kids' wives. So right now, my kid just falls freely. And go ahead, get this installed. Got that installed. Next we'll put a little bit of thread lock on there. Just like so. Go ahead and put this little guy on there. Next we're going to take the little limiter guy off of here. Now we can get that popped onto there. Okay, so once we get that pulled down, from there, give it a good push, and that'll snap right on there. And then the only thing we need to do is put the little cable thing on here to keep it from rubbing, and we'll be set. Okay, and we're measuring 3.5 inches from the start of the cable, and that is where the start of our little cable protector needs to go onto. And this little piece right here on the cable does rub right on here, so they give you like this clear tape stuff to put, so I put a little bit there. So of course we'll report back later and figure out you know, how well that's doing, but otherwise everything closes up very smoothly, and now you can open it and it just slowly drops. Nice.